Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your Coinbase account. Two-factor authentication or 2FA adds an extra layer of security and helps protect your crypto from unauthorized access. To get started, log in to your Coinbase account, click your profile icon and select Manage Account. Next, go to the Security tab and choose Two-Step Verification. Select Google Authenticator as your preferred method and click Setup. If you don't already have the Google Authenticator app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app, tap the plus icon, and scan the QR code shown on Coinbase. Enter the verification code generated by the app to complete the setup. That's it. Your Coinbase account is now protected with Google Authenticator. Don't forget to save your backup or recovery codes in a safe place in case you lose your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.